we will download an image from the internet and add the image to our project, to our Congratulations app. I will use Google Images, find Congratulations image, and Tools, Creative Commons licenses. For example, this image. Save image to Downloads. For download this image to our project, click Resource Manager, and in Resource Manager, click plus. Image asset. If we want to download image from Android Studio library, vector asset. If we want to download icon from Android Studio library, and import drawables is for import images from our computer. Choose our picture, open, we can change name if it is necessary, and then click Next. Import. Our picture will be in drawable folder. There is folder for all pictures, images and vector assets. Click Import. Now we can use this image in our project. Let's switch back to the project view, click Project, and in Drawable folder, click Triangle, and it is our new file Congratulations PNG. We can double click to see this file, and in the next lesson we will add our image to our application. See you soon.